guys, we're gonna do a tutorial on how I make my hats. I'm here. It's gonna be mostly my hands today. So first I'm gonna show materials. So first is burlap blanket, or any super bulky yarn. Is preferably what I'm using. A loom pick. You can find this on Amazon, or if it comes with your loom, it's perfect. I'm just ergonomic. And then a loom. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 32 pegs, and I'm making a large adult teen size today. I'm gonna put all of my instructions for all of sizing down in the description that I have written. But I am also gonna put probably like a written pattern if you want to follow along and actually make one. So I'm gonna get started. First is making a slip knot, and then attaching it to this peg here, so like that. And then we're gonna go over that peg and around. So I will be back because this is gonna take a second. I'm gonna do it here for you guys so you can actually see what it looks like. Just go around each peg. This one is, when I get to there is actually 2 more materials. Yarn with scissors and yarn needles. The scissors don't come with your loom. I believe yarn needles do come with them. I don't know. But this is what we're doing. And then we're going to push down. Like this. And then, after we do that, we are going to go around again. And this is actually probably going to be boring, so I'm actually going to cut here and be back. So now that we've done that, I always just secure it while using this. So take the bottom, so right there, I don't know if you can see that. I'll go come closer. You're going to take this one, your remaining pick is, and go over. And you're going to go all push down like I showed you, and then wrap around again until you get to, I do about 3 inches. You can do whatever you like. So I'll be back when I finish up the entire one. I feel a little bit of a different angle. These loops here, you're gonna do this all the way across. And if you have one, you have to secure it too. I do that all the time. It is totally okay. So I will be back when I finish this part. Okay. Now that you're done, this is what it's gonna look like. You will have that piece that we made the slip knot without. Leave it till the end. You can cut it off, or you can tuck it in. I would prefer to leave mine out. And then you're going to take your loom, your little loom pick, and do each of the bottom ones over like we were doing. This will secure the rim of your hat. Just like, I don't think you can see what I'm doing. Oh, turn this just slightly. This is what we're doing. We're going over, just like this, like this, like this and like this. Oh, I definitely missed one. Well, you can just do it over now and keep going. And then you're gonna push down when you're done with this, and then wrap, pick, push until we get to the end, and I will be back when we get to the end. So now if you've done the entire top part, this is what it's gonna look like. So now you're like, how do you do it all? But so here is your next step. So you're gonna go around once, or just use all of it. I'm gonna go around once. You're gonna take a pair of scissors, snip excess. There we go. I'm actually gonna use that when I make my other one. So now you've got this. So now do it up. Grab a yarn needle. It's just where I keep mine. So grab one of these yarn needles. You're gonna thread it through like that, and then you can make a little knot, which I think I'm actually gonna do so it'll stay. So I'm here. I'm just gonna use my hands today. Make a little knot so that it will stay on your thing. Let me just try that. So now you're gonna, okay, we're gonna move this so you can see it. Okay, you can see that, right? Yeah. I have it facing like a selfie so I can see my shots that I get. So you're gonna go through the one next to it. You're gonna go up and pull. Up and pull. With my hand, we'll do it right here so you can see it. My hand's all the way this time. Up and pull. So that's what you're gonna do, and then I'll be back for the next step. Okay, well I ran out of yarn, so this is another way if you do that. You can go ahead and do it off early. So what we were doing is going, yeah, you can do that until it come off, and then you can pull it a little, and I'll get a little bit more yarn. And just if you run in there, so this is a safe. And also, I'm never going to do the knot again because it's tragic. So, I'm going to do this super fast, and I will be back. So now that it's off, thread it through, just don't do a knot this time. I saw that somewhere, I tried it, didn't like it. So you're going to go through each loop until you get to the end. Well, you can't see that, but this is just what I'm doing. Going through the loops. There's gonna be little loops, and then you're gonna pull all the way until it's stitched. And just don't break the yarn. I've done that before. So you might see these little loops. You can actually go through them to make it look cleaner at the top. I'm just gonna do that now. Something that I do just to make sure it's clean looking at the top. Find little loops and go through them. Okay, so now you got this with a little tail sticking out the inside. We'll get to that in a second. So now you're gonna go through the top, kind of in the middle. You're gonna get to go to the wrong side, and you'll see your needle poking out. So now you're gonna pull. It didn't come out. I'm like, okay, that's how much I left apparently, because it's not gonna have more, so I'm gonna do, I guess. If it comes off, just re-thread your needle. I at least three times whilst doing this part. And then you're gonna do all of these little loops on the inside. So pick a loop kind of close to the top. This is just the loop I'm going to choose here. We're going to go through. And you're going to make a knot. So go through that loop it made and secure it. It takes some strength, but sometimes it can be pretty easy. And we're gonna do it again. I just do mine on the other side so it looks even. So I'm kind of picking the same spot on the other side. Pull and have that loop again. If you make it too tight, you can just pull out a little bit. And then pull tight. There we go. Take some strength. Second time, actually. So now you're gonna snip off that end with your scissors. Leave about like an inch or two. I'm gonna kind of go right there. Take out your yarn needle, which already came out apparently, and throw it in the trash can. And then you have this long one here. Just snip where it is. Just snip. Again, leave about an inch or two, depending. Leaves a little bit, and then you'll have that. Throw it in the trash, and now you have made yourself a complete hat. So it's the same instructions for each size, just different measurements. Just the same inch directions. So I'm not going to do it for every size, but just same instructions. So come back to this video if you ever need to. Yeah. And you can do two-toned, which I probably should have shown, but you can do two-toned. But once you finish your rim, you snip that off, tie on your second color, and it makes the top a different color. Because I have like orange and black, yellow, like orange and black for OSU, yellow and black for Hufflepuff. Made myself and friends. So yeah, that is the full and completed tutorial. Congratulations, you made yourself a hat using branded blanket yarn or whatever yarn you use, but congratulations, you made one. But yeah, so now I usually package mine up in a Ziploc with a label, but if you're just gonna go sales to a friend, you don't super need to do that, but I do that because it goes to some cancer kiddos. But yeah, and they're also super cute. And I like this one, the way this one turned out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you want to do for more yarn content, bye!